my name is Faisal Jahangir and I welcome you all to my channel. On this channel you will see the latest videos on product unboxing, tech reviews, trending tech gadgets, and the latest in the field of technology and telecommunication. To unbox the Mpow Flame wireless earphones. So let's give it a start. So here we are unboxing the Mpow wireless earphones. So here we see that it comes with a carrying case, a lot of booklets. So this is the user manual and the customer support, and then after that the most important thing that I see here, and they have put this one on top of all the other papers here in the box. It says that the headphone can only be charged via 5-volt adapters, USB ports only. Quick charging device or 5-volt may cause heat and fire. So be careful. I mean, whenever you charge these earphones, make sure that you do not use the fast charger. Just use a conventional old 1 ampere charger. Now let's come to the real package, the real deal. And this is a very nice carrying case in which they're enclosed. Apart from these earphones, we see that it has a charging cable, of course micro USB. Then there are 3 pairs of regular ear tips and 1 pair of memory foam ear tips for extra comfort in your ears. Now let's come to the build quality of these earphones. They have a very good and fine build quality. They do not seem cheap at all. The ear hook is very flexible and soft. Regardless, I've worn them for longer hours, I mean 3-4 hours, but I haven't noticed any discomfort. Apart from that, we see that it comes with the flatbed cable. This flatbed cable helps in avoiding the cable being tangled, which is often the case with the regular cable. The ear tips are angled, so when you wear them, these ear tips are exactly, if you can see me here wearing them, the ear tips are actually pointed towards the ear canal, so you are sure to get the rich music directly in your ear. And they also have a very good isolation, noise isolation, which makes them even better. The build quality is actually very good. There's a bit of a pattern over here on this Mpow logo, so it does not look bad or cheap quality at all. The Mpow logo on the right side, right earphone, is the power button. So it is a multi-purpose multitasking button. It can again be used for accepting or rejecting the call. Double clicking on this button would redial the latest dial number on your phone. So just out of the box, when we see them, they are actually very well packaged. The whole package is very good. The presentation is good, and this price range, $20 on Amazon.com. The package actually is quite lavish. I mean, it comes with lavish accessories in this price range. Now let's come to the sound quality. These headphones sound pretty decent actually, with more emphasis on the bass. fact, they last for 7 to 9 hours as per the company specification, but I've tested them on continuous music play and they've given me 7 hours of continuous music play, which is actually very impressive. No other brand which I am aware of is offering such a longer talk time and music play time in this price range. Moreover, this earhook design gives them an extra advantage who are into sports activities like exercising, bike riding or running or jogging, whatever. So whatever the activity you are in, they're surely not going to fall off. I have tried them several times, and in addition to that, they actually are sweat proof, which is an added bonus for the athletes, and they're IPX7 rated waterproof, which means that they can endure a water splash, sweat or a mild rain. So overall, I would say that this is a very good package and worth buying in this price range. And they're actually for sale on my website lalproshopping.com for ₹3,000 with free shipping. Do let me know your opinions about this video in the comments section. It's really about you and giving you value and insight, a true insight of what a product is in actual, in usage, and viewing and holding and durability. So if you have found value in this video, press the like button. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. You will be seeing a lot of interesting videos coming days from me. So stay tuned. That's all for now, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye bye.